In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your G2A promo code in June 2024. G2A promo codes can be important as they offer discounts on games and software purchases, helping users save money. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in G2A promo code June 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one that has 50% off any purchase on G2A. Choose any coupon code and tap on Copy Code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Make sure to enter your email address just down below to not miss out on instant deals. Go to the G2A official website. On the payment page, paste in your coupon code. Double check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your G2A promo code in June. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.